Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a graphic in your MS Word document. So friends, if you want to insert ready to use template of graphic or smart art, so very simple and easy method, just click anywhere on your document where you want to insert graphic, then click on insert and click on smart art. So insert a smart art graphic to visually communicate information. Smart art graphics range from graphic lists and progress diagrams to more complex graphics such as Venn diagram and organization chart. So click on it. Here you will find a list of graphic and chart, and mostly you will find all type of useful graphics like picture, and in this picture you want to add this type of graphic, so click on here. Now click on this picture, select from your PC and insert. So very easily you can insert some useful template using this smart art of MS Word feature. So now we have this type, and if you want to change, so double click on it. You can change design, so try and see what's best graphic for your document and your requirement. So that's it friends. By this quick method we can know how to insert graphics in your MS Word document. Thanks for watching.